Before that we continue our topic for tonight, I'm going to invite you guys, smart listener, to join in our session by WhatsApp. That is 0811461011. And once again, please join us in WhatsApp 0811461011. If you have any question or any suggest or anything that you want to join with our session tonight, then it will be the more the merrier. Yeah, I like to say the more the merrier. It's like makes everyone to get more imbust and cheerful to face the life situation or our activity. And because we just one of the BPtions just a little bit come late, yeah, and we would like to introduce him, our special and handsome boy from BPC.
Sure.
Please introduce yourself.
Okay, smart listener. My name is Ahmad Daryandi. You can call me Rian. Thank you.
Hi Rian.
Hello.
I'm going to ask you about work-life balance. Yeah. Are you a worker right now or a student or anything? Can you explain us? What is your daily activity actually? You starting?
Actually, I'm a job seeker right now, and my daily activity is just stay at home and like someone else doing every day, and how to say tambahan in addition in every night I doing gym after Isha pray.
Oh, you do gym too?
Yeah.
I think we guys we are a healthy person. Yeah.
Sure.
Until
very important.
maybe 1 hours.
1 hour you take it. Yeah. Well, for me, 1 hour is when I was single. I take a workout for 1 hours. But during I'm being mom, 30 minutes is enough for me, or 20 minutes.
In the one day.
In a day, yeah.
In a day,
In a day, it's more than enough because we only not. I only not spend my time only gym or something like that. Yeah.
Sure.
Cooking or cleaning up the house makes me more sweets also. So I don't have any reason to take a workout for 1 hour. And how do you face your life situation? I mean, sometimes maybe you are in trouble, or like you try to recognize yourself. What do you want? And what you don't want happen in your daily activity, in the way you face the situation about your activity that taking too much your rush hour, terlalu sibuk. I mean, how do you face it? Maybe sometimes you enjoy, but sometimes you are like in a very low point, and you say that I'm tired of this. Of course, that everyone feel that vibes, the bad vibes. And how do you face it?
If I in how to say in a bad condition, I try to move forward. I mean, maybe I take a gym or maybe for 20 minutes only, and after that I take rest again.
Take what kind of take a rest? Maybe
Play a game.
Playing game and
watching movie.
Yeah, watching movie.
Or cooking. Do you like cooking or not? Or your mother do it for you?
Yeah, I also make sweet tea for me.
Sweet tea.
And mixed with honey.
Wow.
Yes.
So you are a kind of romantic man, because you have a special space for yourself when you are not in a good mood.
Yes.
You have any plan to go for vacation or something like that for yourself? You're doing solo traveling or going traveling with your family in your stuck day?
Actually, I usually go to vacation with my family if there is how to say hari
There is
cuti.
Oh,
Cuti?
Yeah, free day.
Oh, yeah, free day, off
free
day.
day. Yeah. And yeah, I take the time with my family uh, in Malino, on also Bantimurung, and
Any else?
any else.
I think if you need a friends or something like that, you can invite me to join your family
Yeah,
vacation,
sure.
yeah, or join or asking also Achang. The more the merrier, yeah.
Maybe next month.
Yeah,
in
next
BPC camp.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
okay.
It's different. In your family vacation.
It's different.
Okay. Anyway, I moved to Achang. As a student right now, and you have a lot of activity. You join some organization. I wonder to know what is your purpose in the future. What kind of work life? What kind of work or job you are seeking for?
Yeah, actually,
And
in
why?
the best job right now I'm really want is the entrepreneurship. Like I'm as a CEO.
CEO?
Yeah, CEO, and I'm as a boss in there. If I have like business right now, that is why. I mean, if I wanna create. Sure, if I have create like company or corporation, I'm really hope I can handle this and make collaborate make collaborate with the other country like Singapore. That is why it's English, it's very important because we need communication for the other people, like in the boss, for the other corporation, for example. This my purpose is as a businessman.
Businessman.
Yeah, exactly.
Can you explain me the details of business you are impatient for that?
I wanna sell her anything like sleeper, even if it is sleeper like clothes. But I will try.
Like distro, yeah?
Yeah, distro. Actually, my brother have like toko, to say toko.
Yeah, store.
Yeah, store in my village, and I wanna more than
You
her.
want to more than her?
I wanna create not just store but corporation also.
So maybe you need a friends, or you need to invite me to come to your village, and I can get any discount or sell there to buy in your brother brother store or distro.
They have a lot of, they have several like distro or something like that, and if you wanna book, I will give you discount.
Oh, nice, thank you, Achang. I feel honored.
But probably just 1% maybe.
That's okay. At least it's a sell, because a mother like me really loves sell. I think not only a mother, everyone loves sell. So what about Jurian? What you are going to take work, or what kind of work? What kind of job you seeking for in nearly time?
Okay, as my major is English, I want to be a teacher. For how to say? I want to be a teacher, and I wanna teach in the school, especially for
private school or primary school.
Maybe both of them.
Both of them.
Both of them.
I mean, if I how to say lulus,
Finish or graduate.
I mean lulus test.
You get the qualification.
I get a qualification, so I take the job.
Okay.
I will take it.
So you like you like children, exactly, yeah? Because you said that you want to be a teacher.
Yeah.
So you have a chance to give a free for teaching my children actually, Jasmine and Irish, and I think they are familiar to you.
Yeah.
Because you want to be a teacher, and I need a more how to say, like private teacher. Yeah, private teacher.
You may call me.
Oh, okay. For free, yeah. I take your word.
Okay, so what about you, Kak Dewi? You your life have the purpose, or you focus for your kids, or
I don't say that I don't have any purpose or something like that. Yeah, but because I'm in during in 5 years exactly, I'm in a level that I'm enough for everything. Enough means that I'm not going to asking anymore unless seeing and supporting my children in taking their study well and getting their own future, because for me time is priceless with them, and they are not going to turning back to the kids anymore. So I enjoy every single their grow life, and I can see and I can feel that they are really need me more than 24 hours. And that's why I never bored. I always say that I'm a happy mother, because every day there will be always a surprising case or situation, even though in sometimes also there is a small accident or miscommunication between me and my daughter. But then it's like a self-reward for me when I can see them running their study well every day by listening to their chit-chatting to me, like, Bunda, I have a problem like this, or, oh, Bunda, I have finished my study today well and no more problem, and I think you have to give me a self-reward today that I may playing or touching my cell phone a little bit longer than before or the day before. And something like that makes me busy also. And how do I keep my sanity, menjaga kewarasan? That is sometimes when I let them with their world, I ask them first that, is it okay, Bunda, taking a few minutes to scrolling my social media, and you don't interrupt me, Kakak and Ade, please do not interrupt me, because I need my self time also. And then they understand it well that Bunda is going more happier if she could enjoy her self reward in a day. And that's what I called how I face or how I face my work-life balance. Because work-life for me is cleaning the house, cooking, and playing sometimes with the kids, and helping them in finishing their homework from the teacher. And of course also from outside recall, like my father and my siblings also, and sometimes make a call that please do come to our house and we would like to enjoy the time, or we go for dinner together. I call it that I'm a busy. I'm a busy for making my myself to be happy. And that's why I say that I'm still not put some things wish list what am I going to be in the future, unless I want to stay healthy, because I want to see my children until they get their future, and maybe they get married and they leave me with my husband, and I'm still healthy, and maybe one day they will come back to our house and saying that, Bunda, I'm missing your cooking, I'm missing anything with you, and I'm happy to see you are still healthy, because I promised to myself that I want to stay healthy for my kids. I want to stay for everlasting. I want to they enjoy their time with me, even though I'm no longer young anymore, even though they always say that, Bunda, you are not older, you never get older, you always young. you are not like an ordinary mother. I'm proud of you. And that's the how to say, like, the obstacle from the children. I mean, how do I face my work-life balance?